What's up, everybody? It's your boy Benny here at STPD. So, and here we go again with another quick shop action episode. And today I want to talk about something that a little controversial. A lot of people don't feel comfortable talking about it, but man, it is what it is, and full transparency is key. So we have this truck back here that was recently at another shop. You know, whatever they did, I'm not sure, but engine ended up getting ruined. Now, who's to blame? We can have, that's a whole different conversation. At the end of the day, we got to make sure the client gets taken care of now that he's in our hands. Now, because the client spent so much money at the other place trying to get this thing right, and it completely went in the other direction, the engine ended up getting ruined and he's low on funds. He can't afford to buy a brand new long block or whatever the case and all that fancy stuff, which is fine. We got you. We understand. Nobody foresees these types of issues. So we always like to give our clients different options, and we work with some of the best companies to be able to do that for our clients. So one of the options that we offered was a used engine, right? That's a scary thing. Everybody's like, used engine, right? Luckily, we work with a pretty good company that sells used engines, used parts, right? But they give us a 1-year unlimited mile warranty, parts and labor. That means for you, if you were to have an issue with whatever part we install, used part, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, whatever down the road, or hell, even a month down the road, you bring it back to us and we'll take care of the rest. As long, obviously, we're not going to accept anything that's been abused or whatever the case may be, but if it is a part failure, we will get that thing covered for you at no cost to you. We deal with our company and they take care of us. You have nothing to worry about. Now, there is the disclaimer that obviously it can't cover leaks and things like that. So we always try to do our best to do a visual inspection, which is what we did on this thing. So let's go check out what we got going on. So this right here is the engine that came out of the truck. So she's just sitting here. We've transferred a couple components already, and but that's pretty much it. This is the used engine right there, and my man Gus right there is working on the used engine that's going to be replacing it. As you can tell, Gus, what do we got going on here? Why don't you tell me what's going on? Fill me in.
How's it going, man? So we went with a used engine. We found a bunch of leaks on this thing.
Okay, so it had a bunch of oil leaks.
We did upper and lower oil pan, front cover, a full reseal.
Okay, so you found the leaks on this thing. We did a visual inspection on it. We sent it to the client, and then now the client approved to go ahead and have us reseal the front cover, reseal the upper oil pan, and then obviously do the rear. And anything else that we did on this bad boy?
We did a DCR conversion.
With DCR conversion, let's take a look at that. Let's zoom in here. Boom, there she is right there. So she's got a little DCR conversion already, getting that taken care of. So this thing should be good to go, and the client should be very happy with this unit right here. My man Gus is making sure that she is getting the right treatment so that we only get into this thing one time. So again, used engines, used parts, they're always real sketchy, even on our end, even with warranty, right? But that's why we always want to make sure that we're dealing with the right companies to make sure that we're able to take care of our clients 100%. We don't leave anybody abandoned or anything like that. Now, here's the flip side. These used engines, these used parts with this warranty isn't going to cost you what your cousin can get it down the street for a couple $100 or whatever the case may be. You're gonna pay for what you're gonna get, right? There, you can't put a dollar amount on that peace of mind. But however, you're not gonna pay that full retail price of a new product, but you're gonna be able to get your used engine with a good warranty on it and make you feel better that what you're getting is covered so that the risk isn't as great. There's always a risk on used parts. There's no way around that. But we try to lessen the blow on that part as well. There you have it. If this doesn't give you that peace of mind when buying a used part like an engine, then I don't know what will. Again, at the end of the day, it's still a risk, but we try to minimize that risk as much as possible and give you as much coverage as possible. So If you guys have any questions or you're interested in one of our used engines, if you need one or transmission, differential, whatever the case may be, always feel free to hit us up on social media or give us a call at the office. We're always willing to help. We'll try to help you as much as we can. We'll get you in. We'll get you taken care of. Thank you guys for all the love and support. I can't say that enough. Y'all be safe. Peace.